Again, and today we're back for another vlog, and today we're gonna do an unboxing. Okay, so we're going to unbox my new ring light. Okay, so a little backstory. I already have a ring light, and it's the one I'm using right now. But the thing is, I'm so stupid kasi I was going to prank my husband. Mamadali ako, kinuha ko yung ring light sa kwarto, tapos, natutulog kasi siya. Yung prank na gagawin ko, may make-upan ko sana siya habang natutulog. Kaso nga lang, nung pagkuha ko ng ring light ko, itutungo ko siya. Kaso, I didn't bother to unscrew or loosen the screw nung head nung ring light. So, pag ano ko, pak! Bali! So, ayan. Tapos, okay pa siya, di nabali nga. So, nagawa ng paraan. Nilagyan ng electrical tape ng husband ko. Nilagyan ng electrical tape ring. Tapos, okay na siya. Okay na, di gumagana siya. It's working fine. But then, nung one time na nag-shoot ako, nung nagsushoot ako nung 11/11 sale, yung 11/11 haul ko, ayan na, nakaganyan siya biglang, pak, bumaliktad gano'n. Ito ay ang Cell Wax Hair Color Treatment. Ay! Oh my God! Okay, so ayun, ito, bumili ako ng ring light. Ito siya. And, yun, yung ring light kasi na gamit ko ngayon is just 26 centimeters or yung 10-inch one. So ngayon, bumili na ako nung mas malaki, yung 36 centimeters. Ayan. So, open muna din natin. Although, alam naman natin tripod lang yung stand. Open na rin natin para mamaya matesting siya. So we have a guest. Andito si... What's her name? Hailey. Andito si Hailey. Sasamahan daw niya ako. Ano yan? Okay. So we have the standard tripod na kasama ng mga ring light. Open na natin siya. Alright, so here's the ring light. So it's a bigger one. It's a big one. Okay, so yung kasama niyang cellphone holder, tatlo. Ito siya, i-unscrew mo lang, tapos lagay mo tong, yan, yung ball, and then, screw it back on. Para ma-secure yung holder. And then, ito yung ilalagay natin dun sa, ito yung connect natin dun sa mismong ring light. Okay, so, pansin ko, this one is much more sturdy than the smaller one. Siguro nga dahil mas malaki siya and it's going to bear a heavier weight compared to the smaller one na hanggang isang cellphone lang yung kaya niyang i-handle. Okay, so ito na siya, ring light assembled. Okay, So, capacity na hanggang 3 phone. Kaya ng ilagay. Kaya mong ilagay. So, yan. Pero, if you're just going to use one phone to record your videos, you can just remove this. And, yun. Use the ring light as intended. Okay. Like me, I just use one. So, ito lang. So, ang mangyayari dyan, if you only use one, then you got 2 other cellphone holders na spare pag nasira to isa. Okay. So, lalagay ko lang siya doon sa stand. Okay. So, ito na siya. And let's turn it on. Wow! Okay, so, ito yung setting. Dali. Patayin ko muna kayo. Okay. So, ayan. Pinatay ko muna yung ring light na gamit ko. So, ito yung first setting na. Ito yung combination. Then, ito yung warm. And ito yung cool. Okay, so, ito yung dim niya. Ito yung dim. And then, ito na yung binabright ko na siya. Ayan. Yung ring light na to, I bought it for, it's priced at 750 pesos. Tapos, nakagamit ako ng free shipping voucher. And then, nakagamit pa ako ng coins sa Shopee. So, less 39 coins, less 39 pesos. So, ang binayaran ko lang dito sa ring light na to ay 711 pesos. So, nakuripot in me. So, actually, it's not kuripot. It's the madiskarte mommy in me. So, yun. So far, it's good. Sana hindi ko na siya masira. Para naman tumagal. Kasi, oh my God. Sayang yung ring light. Alright, so yun. Value for money, it's okay for me. Usually, kasi yung nakikita kong ring light this size, 36 cm, is around 1,000, 1,500. So yeah, so I got it real cheap. And sana yung quality niya ay okay. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for joining me dito sa video na to. Yeah. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's all for today. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!